Buko juice. Pwede nyo i-half to ha. Pwede half, sa'yo. Ay, napala. Nabangin sa Pedro. Best in plan bloopers.
Follow your every dream. Make step to be the queen. Share passion with the team. Start your dream at Sweet House. Oh, Sweet House, Sweet House. Sweet House. Oh, Sweet House, Sweet House.
Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mich, and for today, I will be sharing my buko pie recipe. Okay, for the ingredients, I have the crust here and the filling. For the crust, I have flour, salt, my sugar, butter, and water. And then sa filling ko later, I have buko juice, buko strips, cornstarch, conaflour milk, my sugar, salt, and vanilla extract. So, mix muna natin si crust first. So, in your bowl, lagay nyo na si harina, sugar, and your salt. Mix nyo muna to, and then slowly, we will add the water. Sometimes, nauubos natin si water. Minsan, hindi. Okay? So, it depends sa flour kasi yan. By the way, don't forget to cut your butter into cubes para mas mabilis natin siya i-mix in. Okay? Halfway sa water, you put your butter na naka-cubes. Tapos, you can use like this or kung walang ganito, pwedeng tinidor and knife. Once ganito na yung consistency, kamayin na natin. Okay? Until mag-form ng dough. So, once ganito na yung consistency, parehas na natin, lagay natin sa cling wrap. Okay? Lagay natin dito. Pwede natin dust konti ng harina. Then, let it rest. Okay? This recipe will give you 2 pans or 2 buko pie. So, while pinapares natin si crust, we can make the custard. Okay? So, if you have saucepan, lagay natin si buko juice, milk, sugar. Yung iba, mas gusto nila lahat milk, so pwede rin yun. And then, salt plus your vanilla extract. So, we will cook this one until mag-sticky siya, and then we will add the buko strips. Okay? If ikaw yung nagmi-mix nito, mafe-feel mo it going sticky na siya. Okay? Huwag yung iwan to guys ha. Keep on stirring. Yan. So, until ganyan, then lagay na natin si buko strips. Depende sa inyo ha. If you want strips or yung medyo panipis. Hanggang ganyang thick lang ha. Then, set aside para gawin na natin si crust. Okay, after this, custard, set aside natin. Let's proceed to the crust. After resting the dough, divide natin into 4. Okay? One, two, three, tapos ang 4. Then, unahin natin. Okay? Mas malaki. Dust. Konting harina. Tapos, roll up. Always, dust ng flour para hindi siya lumipit. If you keep on rolling your dough, manonotice mo, mas ikinis yan. And then, get ready with your pan. For the baking pan, I have here aluminum foil na 8-inch pero mas makapal para if you want to benta, diretso. Or if you want the fluted one, ito, mas manipis but this is 10-inch. So, for this recipe, dalawa. Dalawang ganito or dalawang ganito. So, thickness, yung kapal niya, 1/8 inch. Okay? Huwag masyadong makapal, huwag masyadong manipis. Yung foil, mas madali lang siya kasi you can sell it agad. Hindi mo na kailangan i-remove. And rest natin to while gagawin natin yung cover niya. Don't forget, lagyan mo ng butas konti para pag-bake later. Okay? Set aside. Then proceed tayo. Okay? So, roll again. Okay, so, itong isa naman. So, spread natin yung dalawa for the cover and then set aside natin yan. Let's get the filling. Ito yung filling. Lagay na natin. Okay. Okay? Then, lagay na natin yung cover. Tapos, set aside mo muna. Mamaya na natin i-pinch yung side niya. Okay? Ang luma na ng cream pearl ko, you can use this, okay? Para ganun, oh. Para siya na mag-cream. Kung walang ganito, yung style ko kanina, yung kamay. Ganun. Yan, ganun mo. And then, don't forget, kailangan natin siya butasan sa cover. Or if you want the modern style, pwede bilog-bilog. Okay? Set aside. Then, before baking, don't forget, brush natin siya ng egg wash para medyo ma-brown yung top. Okay? For the egg wash recipe, lagay natin sa description box. Okay? Bake this one around mga 30 minutes or until mag-golden brown si crust. After the egg wash, butasan yung konti para sa steam later while baking. Okay? Let's bake! Here's our buko pie. Bake na siya. If you want na mas darker yung brown, then go ahead. Pwede nyo siya i-bake plus 10 minutes more. Okay? So, pa-cool down natin and then slice na. So, slice natin si buko pie. Okay? And so, here's the crust and then yung filling. Okay? For the recipe, nasa description box namin. And then, for more updates, don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!